Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Today we are cooking stir-fried potatoes with minced meat. So let's start preparing the ingredients now. We are using 1 kilogram of potatoes sliced. Now I'm going to mince the pork. I have with me 250 grams of pork shoulder. Normally I like to mince my own meat. Why is that so? Because you never know what kind of pork they actually mince up when you buy ready minced pork from the supermarket or even the butcher. Just going to drop everything in. Very fast. So this is done. I'm going to remove the minced meat and put them on a separate plate. I'm going to mince the garlic, 6 cloves of garlic. And we are done. After this, we are going to soak the potatoes in water to get rid of excess starch before we start cooking them. So let's start cooking now. I've got this new non-stick pan by Gourmet, Shogun by Gourmet. It's using granite technology, which is also non-stick. I've seasoned it a little bit with oil at medium heat. Now the best part about non-stick pan is that you don't really need to use a lot of oil, but you really need to take care of it. Do not use high heat on non-stick pan, otherwise it will wear out very fast. Okay, so let's start cooking now. Add a bit of oil inside. And if you were to see that the oil were to run freely, that means the pan is hot enough already. Right now it's still not hot enough. So once that the oil is hot, put in the garlic. Now I purposely did not mince the garlic very fine because I like to eat a little bit of garlic bit here and there. Just stir them around. Once you can smell the fragrance of the garlic, you can add in the minced pork. I've added in 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper into the minced pork. So let's fry the minced pork now. The reason I chose pork shoulder is that it has a little bit of fat and not too much of a fat inside it, so the meat is pretty nice. But if you want something healthier, you can always go for a leaner cut. When it's almost done, you can put in the potato. I soaked the potato for 20 minutes, so just put them in. I'm going to add in 2 cups of water now. I will stir in 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. My mom used to cook this dish and we enjoy it very much with steamed rice. It's also one of my wife's favorite dish. Mix them up. After mixing up, let them stew inside this water until the potato is tender. That will take approximately 15 minutes or so. Place the cover back on now. Okay, 15 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Yes, the potatoes are cooked through already. Let's give it a little stir. Now if you want your potato to be even softer than this, you can still stew it for another 5 to 10 minutes if you want to. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce now. 1 teaspoon of sugar to enhance the taste. Stir it around. Adding in 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Give it a taste to see whether it's savory enough for you. Wow, tastes really good. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. This is the premium dark soy sauce. It's not salty at all. It just gives you a very nice umami kind of taste to your dish. One tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, xoxo. If you like your sauce thicker like me, prepare some cornstarch solution or tapioca flour solution and add them to this beautiful dish that we are having here. Like that will do it. Time to serve them up. And ladies and gentlemen, this is our version of stir-fried potato with mincemeat. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.